The dhole, also known as the Asiatic wild dog or Indian wild dog, is a highly social carnivore native to Asia. They live in packs and are known for their cooperative hunting strategies, which involve chasing down prey in coordinated groups. Dholes have a reddish-brown coat with white fur on their chest and underparts, and they have a distinct bushy tail. They play a crucial role in their ecosystems as apex predators, helping to regulate prey populations. However, they face threats from habitat loss, fragmentation, and human persecution, leading to declining populations in many areas. Conservation efforts are underway to protect this unique and endangered species. The coelacanth is a fascinating fish often dubbed as a living fossil because it closely resembles its ancient ancestors, dating back around 400 million years. They were thought to be extinct until a living specimen was discovered in 1938. Coelacanths are deep-sea dwellers, found in caves and rocky areas around 500 to 800 meters below the ocean's surface. They have unique features like lobed fins, which resemble limbs, leading some to speculate they might have been an evolutionary link between fish and tetrapods, four-limbed vertebrates. Coelacanths have several unique anatomical features, including a hinged joint in the skull, a rostral organ in the snout possibly used for electroreception, and a notochord that persists into adulthood. They are slow-moving fish that primarily feed on smaller fish and cephalopods. Due to their deep-sea habitat, little is known about their behavior in the wild. Coelacanths are considered a vulnerable species due to their low population numbers and restricted habitat. Conservation efforts are focused on protecting their deep-sea habitats and minimizing accidental bycatch. Coelacanths are of significant interest to scientists studying evolution and vertebrate biology. Their close resemblance to ancient fish ancestors provides valuable insights into the transition from fish to tetrapods and the evolution of vertebrate limbs. Coelacanths are ovoviviparous, meaning they give birth to live young rather than laying eggs. Pregnant females have been observed with embryos at various stages of development, indicating a prolonged gestation period. Despite their elusive nature, coelacanths have been the subject of scientific research, including studies on their genetics, physiology, and behavior. Advances in technology, such as deep-sea submersibles and underwater cameras, have enabled researchers to learn more about these enigmatic fish. Chimpanzees are robust primates with long, muscular arms and a distinctive hunched posture when walking on all fours. They have coarse black hair covering their bodies, with bare skin on their faces, hands, and feet. Their faces feature expressive eyes, a prominent brow ridge, and large ears. Chimpanzees typically display a range of emotions, from joy and curiosity to aggression and fear, reflecting their complex social lives and cognitive abilities. They exhibit a wide range of behaviors, including hunting, grooming, and forming alliances within their social groups. They have intricate communication systems involving vocalizations, facial expressions, and body language. Tool use among chimps is particularly notable, with some populations using sticks to fish for termites or stones to crack open nuts. Their ability to problem solve and learn from each other showcases their intelligence and capacity for cultural transmission within their communities. They are fascinating creatures with complex social structures communicating through gestures and vocalizations, and displaying emotions similar to humans. They live in communities led by an alpha male, and their intelligence and adaptability make them one of our closest relatives in the animal kingdom. Studying them provides valuable insights into our own evolution and behavior. The Dik-Dik is a small antelope species found in eastern and southern Africa. They are known for their tiny size, standing about 30 to 40 centimeters tall at the shoulder. Dik-Diks have large eyes and elongated snouts, which help them detect predators in their habitat of shrublands and savannas. They are primarily herbivores, feeding on leaves, shoots, fruits, and flowers. Dik-Diks are monogamous and form strong pair bonds, with mates often staying together for life. They are territorial and use scent marking to define and defend their territories. Their small size and elusive nature make them difficult to spot in the wild, but they play a vital role in their ecosystem as prey for larger carnivores and as seed dispersers for various plant species. They have excellent senses of sight, smell, and hearing, which help them detect predators and find food and water sources in their arid habitats. They are also well adapted to conserve water, obtaining much of their moisture from the vegetation they consume and minimizing water loss through specialized kidneys. They use scent marking, such as urination and glandular secretions, to establish and maintain their territories. These behaviors help reduce competition for resources and provide stability within their populations. Overall, Dik-Diks are fascinating creatures with unique adaptations and behaviors that enable them to thrive in their challenging environments despite their diminutive size. The common ostrich is the largest and heaviest living bird. They are flightless and native to Africa, particularly the savannas and woodlands of sub-Saharan Africa. Ostriches are known for their long necks, powerful legs, and large eyes. They are incredibly fast runners and can sprint up to 70 kilometers per hour, making them the fastest bird on land. Despite their inability to fly, they have adapted well to their environment and are known for their strong social behavior, living in groups called flocks or herds. They are omnivores, feeding on a diet that includes plants, insects, and small vertebrates. They have unique feathers that lack the interlocking barbs that most bird feathers have, giving their plumage a fluffy appearance. They also have the largest eyes of any land animal, which are about the size of billiard balls, allowing them to spot predators from far distances. They are also known for their powerful kicks, which they use for defense against predators like lions and hyenas. Interestingly, they have a unique way of regulating their body temperature by adjusting the blood flow to their bare legs, which helps them cope with high temperatures in their habitat. Ostrich reproduction is quite fascinating. They typically reach sexual maturity between 2 and 4 years of age, and they usually mate for life. During breeding season, male ostriches perform elaborate courtship displays to attract females, which can include dancing, bowing, and spreading their wings. Once a pair bonds, the female will lay her eggs in a communal nest, which is usually a shallow pit in the ground lined with vegetation. Several females may lay their eggs in the same nest, with up to 60 eggs in one nest, although the average is around 20. After laying her eggs, the female and sometimes other females in the group take turns incubating them, with the dominant female often taking the night shift. Ostrich eggs are among the largest of all bird eggs, weighing around 1.4 kilograms, 3 pounds, each. The incubation period is approximately 35 to 45 days. Once hatched, the chicks are precocial, meaning they are born with their eyes open and are able to walk and feed themselves shortly after hatching.